pick it up some parts. We're gonna take it out and look what we can use for the car. As you can see, we have a lot of parts. We will sort it out, look what we can use, and I think we sell the rest of the parts. All the parts we can use is over there, and the rest of the interior we're gonna try to sell it.
Yep. In the last video we sorted out the parts for the car. We need a new door panel, we have it, but it's yellow. And also the dash is yellow, so in this part we're gonna remove the door panel and I think a part of the dash, so we can take it to the paint booth where they can match the colors. We don't have the right carpet for the door panel, but our back carpet is still in nice shape. We're gonna order a new one because this one is burnt, it's in bad shape. So we're gonna use the back side to reupholster this, but for now we're gonna take the panel off to get it to the paint booth. Normally you have to remove this one and this one, but it's already removed. So we have to take out this. You have a couple bolts on the lower part, and underside this arm panel we have also some bolts, so we're going to remove that. The pin we're going to remove, and then we can take off the door panel.
Yeah. Let's try the window.
Here we have the new door panel for the car. As you can see, it is a little bit moldy, so I'm gonna clean it so we can put a fresh coat of leather paint on it. So let's do that. The door panel is much cleaner, but I'm gonna remove this cushion, this part, and the trim with the chrome. I painted, I gave it 2 coats. It's looking really nice. And Jasper is busy with the inner part. You have a wooden panel. This one is here not, but there's in the middle is a wooden panel. Like this one, but the chrome is not so nice on this one, and the wood is really nice. So we're gonna swap that out, and this part. So this one we have to paint also. So when Jasper is done, we can paint that too. We have the inner panel and the armrest cleaned, so they are also ready for a nice fresh coat of paint. The door panel is done. The paint looks really nice. The only thing we have to change is the carpet, because it's not the right color. In the meantime, Jasper is busy with removing the molten cables and replacing it so we can put the door panel in. Jasper is busy with the wiring. He cut out all the old molten wires and prepared a new one. So he's going to do that, and I'm gonna remove the upper part of the dash. You enjoying it, Jasper?
Yes.
Today we picked up a new windshield for this Lincoln, and we have also a new headlight switch. We traded in an old hood and a radiator support, so we only paid 50 bucks for the windshield, so that's pretty nice. We're gonna cut out the old windshield and then we're gonna place the new one inside the car.
Bye.